Okay, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to register your employees using the Pagar Lens app. Okay, that's online attendance, what NICT signed in. Okay, so first and foremost thing is open the browser. Once the browser is opened, go to a website called as pagarbook.com. 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 So as soon as you enter pagarbook.com, this is the screen what you're going to get. So once you get the screen, click on the option login sign up. On the top you have login sign up. Just click on login. So once you click on login, so here it is already taken to my login. So normally it will ask for your mobile number. Enter the centered mobile number, that is your mobile number. It will ask for OTP. Enter the OTP. So as soon as you log in, this is a screen what you're going to get. So in this case, I'm selecting an option called as Koramangala Center. Okay. So this is the first screen what you will be getting. So first you have to add your counselors. Okay. So for convenient, I'm just adding only the counselors. So go on the left-hand side, click on the staff. So once you click on the staff, you have an option called as add staff. Make it sure to select add regular staff. Okay. Staff name, in this case, I'm just saying Nagaveni V. Initial should be always preferably at the end. And mobile number of Nagaveni. So in this case, it's 91-084-95935. Okay. So enter. Auto attendance with location and selfie. Yes, allow it. Cycle is going to be 1-to-1 every month. Salary structure. Okay. Opening balance, I'll leave it as 0. Salary details at this stage, I'm not activating. Just maintain only attendance. Salary will not get into this picture. So salary details access, don't allow. Okay, disable this option. Okay. And then click on next. So it's asking earnings, leave all the options blank because we are not dealing anything with salary. Okay. So just leave everything blank. Okay. But if everything is blank, it will not allow you to onboard the staff. So just say basic DA 1 rupee. And then say onboard the staff. Continue. So I'm just deleting the other things. I've just put basic plus DA 1 rupee just to onboard them. Okay. Click on onboard. So continue without saving the template. Or you can just say default. Save it. Anything does not make much difference. So Nagaveni has been onboarded. Okay. Now select the staff Nagaveni. And on the top right, select the staff profile. Under staff profile, you have added the name and mobile number. Other details has to be added here. Just click on this. Okay. Click on the add. You're going to add date of birth, address, gender, all that stuff. Okay. So in this case, date of birth here for her, it's going to be 21st October 1993. So I'll select first 1993. Then select October. Then say 21st. Gender, it's going to be female. Staff address, I'm just entering their address. 52 4th Cross, Munikauta Garden, Bazaar Street, Neela Sandra. So second line, preferably add the area. Neela Sandra in Bangalore. State is Karnataka. Okay. Pin code as 560047. So line 2 is optional. Line 2, write only the area. It might be Jayanagar 4th block, Neela Sandra, Koramangala 4th block, whatever it is. Okay. And then save. So all the details has been added. Now there's something called as employment information. Just below that, click on the add option. Okay. So staff ID. So in this case, it's going to be 21 10991993 NAG. How am I issuing staff ID? So staff ID is nothing but the date of joining, 21st October 1993, followed by 3 letters of their name. So Nagaveni starts with NAG, so I'm ready. So always the staff ID is given in such a way that the date of joining, month has to be with prefixes. So 2 numbers, 2 digits for a date. If it is they are joined on 7th, say 07. If they are joined on month, say 03. 2 digits for a month and 4 digits for the year, followed by first 3 characters of their name. So this is of the staff ID to be given for everybody. So, okay, that's date of birth. So she is joined in the month of 1st of April, okay, 2022. So date of joining will be 1st of April. So I'll select 1st of April. So she is joined in 1st of April 2022. So her staff ID will be 01042022 NAG. Okay. Designation, leave it blank. Department, leave it blank. Don't do anything. UAN number is nothing but the Aadhaar number. So I'm typing 3 here 8365 2388 3492. UAN number, make sure to enter your Aadhaar number of this employee. PAN number AZCPV2573Q. All the data has to be entered except designation, department, and ESI number. And then click on save. Okay. So you have added the employee name. So if you have the documents, go to add documents. The PDF file can be uploaded here, either JPEG file or a PDF file. So all the details, make sure it is in one file and add it here. Might be a PAN number, Aadhaar card, educational certificate, photos. Scan everything to one PDF file and then attach it as a document here. So this is how you will be onboarding an employee. Now when you go to dashboard, okay, it will show you Nagaveni's one staff which has been added. Go to staff, you have only Nagaveni. Select on this, click on the staff profile, edit phone numbers, edit other details. Okay, whatever it is, you can edit it. Don't worry about all other details. I'll show you later. Okay. Go to holidays. Go to settings. Say staff in this case. Say Nagaveni. Okay. So it shows you all the details. Add each and every counselor. Don't add faculties at this stage. I'm just concentrating only on the counselors. Please add the counselors. Okay. So username is your mobile number. Password comes to your OTP. Automatically OTP, you will get it. So use the OTP to log into pagarbook.com. Okay. Any clarifications, you can get back to me. Once you add, make sure to tell me in WhatsApp that you have added. All your counselors, only counselors, no faculties and no employees other than counselors at this stage. First, let's add the counselors alone. But whenever you add a counselor, but make sure when you go to staff profile, this option is staff self-attendance as yes. Don't cancel this. They'll not be able to mark this. So make sure self-attendance is yes.